That's my girl. That's it. That's my girl, Puerto Player. What they say is asthma on YouTube.